6 things you should never tell a man. Yes, there are definitely many things you should never tell a man. If you want to avoid fights, jealousies, rage attacks and even problems of self-esteem in yourself, it is better that in certain circumstances you close your mouth. Remember the saying, in the closed mouth, no flies come in. Do you usually screw up quite often with your comments? So, try to remember these 6 things that you should not tell your partner to not make a serious mistake. Discover them next. 1. Do you think she's cute? If you and your boyfriend cross paths with a woman known to both of you, friend, classmate, work, or whatever, and you notice that he looks at her a lot, never ask him that question. If he says no, you will be angry because you do not believe him, and if he says yes, a fit of rage will come. Better to avoid meaningless worries and make sure nothing happened. 2. When do we meet again? First date with a man you like. You have had a great time, but at the moment of saying goodbye, he still has not hinted at anything for a second meeting. Do you ask him when to meet again? Don't. If he has not told you yet, it is because he is not convinced, so better avoid that uncomfortable moment for you. A man really interested in you will propose it to you. 3. Have you slept with her? Do not ask your partner about things from the past. With what need? So that the ghosts of the past and the insecurities that come with them persecute you eternally. Look forward. 4. It's just a football match. Your boyfriend is very focused watching a football game of his favorite team. He is nervous, he moves around and screams. The worst thing you can say at that moment is that, many men love football and hearing that you despise it will not be very good for them. 5. Am I fat? A question that ends in a fight, always. If he says no, you think he does it so you do not feel bad. And if he says yes, self-esteem stays on the floor. Never consult that with your boyfriend. Remember that men are attracted to women who are secure and without complexes. Those consultations leave for your best friend. 6. My ex-boyfriend did the same as you. Mistake. And serious. We should never make any kind of comparisons between the current boyfriend and an ex. Talking about an ex, be it good or bad, means that you are still thinking about him or that you are still disgusted. That will make him feel in the background. Also, would you like him to compare you with the women of his past? I bet you would hate it. Undoubtedly, you must be careful with many unnecessary comments or unfortunate questions when we are in front of a man. Do you have any other to add? Source: https://www.vix.com/es/imj. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 6 things you should never tell a man, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.